Hello, I'm Patrick Jameson, and I work in the PGT University department. In this video, we're going to switch this sliding glass door recess pull with a raised sliding glass door handle. You will need a sliding glass door adapter plate and a sliding glass door raised handle. This action can be performed on vinyl frame and aluminum frame sliding glass doors and can be ordered through ClearQuote. The first step is to use your Phillips screwdriver, undo the two screws holding the handle set together. That will free up your recess pull. You can set that off to the side and retrieve your adapter plate. One side of the adapter plate has a special design that will fit inside that cutout of your lock dial. You'll be able to retrieve your raised handle. It will fit directly inside of that adapter plate, and you'll be able to use the same screws you used earlier to connect the handle sets. The final step is to hand tighten the two screws to prevent any damages as well as over tightening. You have now performed the task of switching a recess pull to a raised handle. I'm Patrick Jameson, and thanks for watching.